5.4 Triton engine. For you people that get this whining noise, people say that it's the alternator. I replaced the alternator. Some people say it's a plastic intake. No. See that idler right there? Watch. With the engine running. That's the idler right there. Stop it. Hear the whistling? That's exactly what it is. Can't get a good shot. But when it whistles, what I did, just because I'm going nuts, I turn around and I stop that idler from turning. Hear it? Very lightly. Watch. That's what your problem is. Replace that simple idler, your whining shit is fixed.